What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another vacuum video. This Bissell PowerPoint 800 10 amp. I'm gonna continue to show this vacuum because this particular vacuum doesn't really have any airtime up on YouTube, and I think I'm like the only person on the whole YouTube base that's got this vacuum. So I'm gonna show the hell out of it, whether you like it or not. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna keep on showing it for the people that do like it. In one of my next videos, I'm gonna end up doing a video with this one. Hold on, focus. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna end up doing a video with this Bissell, my black Bissell, my blue Bissell, and my green Bissell, all in one video. But this particular Bissell haven't really had no place on YouTube. And I watch a bunch of different videos on YouTube, and I've never seen this vacuum pop up. The one video that I did find on YouTube with this one, the vacuum was pretty much being demolished. Not this one. This one is being put to great use. As a matter of fact, yesterday I took it apart, and the fan was kind of some of the fan blades were like kind of missing. Like, not really missing, but like it was, excuse my French, it was just really fucked up. There, we're just gonna put it like that. There's no easy way to go into it, so we're just gonna go for it. The fan was really fucked up, excuse my French. So we took out the old fan and put a brand new fan in. And yeah, she good to go now. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the living room with this vacuum. Like I said, this is a vacuum that really doesn't get shown very much, so I'm gonna show it to you. Let's go ahead and begin. Yeah, boy, she is definitely a keeper. She is definitely a keeper. This vacuum has a really great suction. I highly recommend it. Yep, my collection is officially completed with this machine. For sure, for sure. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace.